Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something super useful, especially if you're trying to grow your blog, business, or personal brand. It is guest posting. What is it? Why do people do it? And how can it help you? Let's dive in! A guest post is basically when you write an article for someone else's website or blog, not your own. It's a smart way to share your ideas, show off what you know, and even promote yourself or your business a little. Why do people write guest posts? The main reason is to get in front of more people. When you post on someone else's site, their audience gets to see your work. It's a great way to reach new readers and maybe even find new customers or fans. What are the benefits? Here's backlinks. When your article links back to your own website, it can help your site rank better on Google. 2. Better SEO. More links and mentions from good websites can make your own site show up higher in search results. 3. More people know about you. Posting on bigger popular sites gets your name out there. 4. You look like an expert. Sharing good advice or tips on trusted sites makes people see you as someone who knows their stuff. 5. More visitors to your website. People who like your guest posts might click through to check out more of what you offer. How does guest posting actually work? First, you find websites that talk about topics similar to yours. Then, you send them an idea for an article you could write. If they like it, you write the post and they publish it, usually with your name, a short bio about you, and a link back to your site. Do you get paid for guest posts? Sometimes yes. Some websites pay for guest articles, but a lot of the time you don't get money. Instead, you get something just as valuable: more attention for your brand, better SEO, and a chance to build your reputation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever written a guest post, or are you planning to try?